Struggling with pimples and acne that just won't go away? You've tried different products, but nothing seems to work. What if I told you the solution might already be in your kitchen? Today, I'll show you a simple, natural remedy that can help you achieve clearer, healthier skin without harsh chemicals. Most people treat acne the wrong way. They focus only on the surface, using strong creams and chemicals that dry out the skin. But acne is often caused by bacteria, excess oil, clogged pores, and even poor diet. If you don't treat the root cause, the pimples keep coming back. That's why natural remedies can be powerful. They work gently with your skin, not against it. Here's a simple and effective remedy you can try at home. You'll need fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of lemon juice. Aloe vera helps soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, and lemon helps to brighten the skin and reduce oil. Start by extracting fresh aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well, then add a few drops of lemon juice. Apply this mixture gently on your face, especially on affected areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, or overnight if your skin can tolerate it. Then rinse with lukewarm water. With consistent use, this remedy can help reduce pimples and acne, calm inflammation, kill acne-causing bacteria, improve your skin's natural glow. But remember, consistency is key. You won't see magic overnight, but within a few days you'll start noticing changes. Before trying this, do a patch test to avoid irritation. Also, avoid touching your face too often and drink plenty of water. Healthy skin starts from within, so your diet matters too. Reduce sugar and oily foods. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And follow Natural Vitality for more simple and powerful health tips. Your journey to clear, glowing skin starts today.